Guys, I'm back with hybrid animals. You guys have been just suggesting it so bad. I'm just back. Wait guys, I'll be back in a second. Sorry about that guys, I just needed to do something. Sorry about that, doing. But anyways, in the last video, we just made a bunch of hybrid animals. This time we're gonna play, I made a Dilophosaurus and... oh, that's not where I wanted to play. We're gonna tap on the Dilophosaurus and I'm gonna show you guys what my progress is. Wait, did we restart? No. We're in level... No, we didn't restart the whole thing. We're still in level 83. It's just that... where is my house? Let's do that. New power. Please be the eyesight thing. Great, we have poison. Why is this here? Get this out of here. So we still have... it saves your progress, but it looks like it doesn't... oh no. Where is my house? It saves everything except your spawn point, I'm guessing. Let's have this. Let's get this because it like gives you a bunch of levels. This is good. This thing's great. So let's see what to do. Attack. Yeah. Alright. Oh no. Ah. Okay. That's not good. We're gonna. Oh no. Let's go to inventory. What? Why is it opening achievements? I have 9 achievements unlocked. And there's 13 more. Okay, we need to change this with a pickaxe to break this thing down. Oh no, please don't. Please. I hope this doesn't happen for the rest of the video. I'm serious. It's gonna be annoying. Lightning! Okay, you know what? It's too late now. I guess we can't use lightning for those stuff. Oh, actually, this is weird. Anyways, guys, let's actually talk about some Jurassic World stuff. Everybody, the new... if you go to Guildford Target or Maryland's Target, whatever you want to say, they have new stuff there. They have new Roarivores, the new Dino Rivals, whatever you want to say. So if you're a fan of dinosaurs, check it out. I just want to talk about Target for a second. Oh shit! These things are gonna go down. There's no way they're gonna beat me.
Would you check this for a second?
Anyways, bros, don't care. One more level up, and we're pretty much good. Oh, guys, if you guys saw that tiny pickaxe in my hand, I'll be huge, and then I have a tiny pickaxe in my hand. Let's go here. Oh yeah, the blue stuff are really good. I'm not gonna lie. The blue stuff gives you like 5 points. And I have 2 points. Is this a lie? There we go. New power. Please be the eye. This isn't gonna stop. I'm never gonna get a new power up. Or level up, I should say. I'm on level 90. Oh wait, I just leveled up. What level am I on? Are you serious? Level 93. I guess if I go to level 100, it's unlocked something. Seriously, I don't know what's happening right now. I don't like it. I've seen other people play this game, and there's like this gun mode thing where you can like make your own animal and like get guns. Okay. Oh guys, don't listen to that. What? Oh guys, sorry about the music. Oh shit, guys. Alright. Why does that happen? Sorry about that, guys. Guys, so... Sorry about that, guys. I've been silent for a few minutes. I mean, I could just pause as a... Die, oh, beach. You'll die. Oh, look at these. This is really weird. Oh, there's two of them. Okay, my Buddha. Oh, no, I don't want to install this whatever baby hype thing. I don't know what's wrong with these people, but they make dumb games about dumb people. I'm gonna take this down in like one shot, man. Gonna take them. Gonna take them. Power up, new power up. Can somebody help me? Can anybody help me right now? Wow, that was weird. 3 more. Oh, achievement unlocked. The mighty hut. Oh, wait, okay. Level up. Is that achievement or no? Let's see. Wait. I have 10 achievements unlocked. I have 10. I think it's gonna say 10 instead of 9. Just unlocked a new one. Achievement unlocked. Another one. Ultimate spunk. 11. Interesting. 2 more. Wow. 2 more to go with. Come. Level 100. There's no way. We're level 100. Level 100, guys. Up for the wing. I'm a wingman now. I'm gonna take this thing down. Bye bye, bat. Bye bye. Took you down. Took you down like crazy. Alright. New power unlocked. Blah blah blah. Let's take some things. Oh no. Oh no. No. Oh wait. I just took them down like a few shots. Guys, I'll be back in a few seconds. I'll be back. Guys, sorry about that. Okay, everything was on. Is this ever gonna... I would actually craft this. Craft that. So craft this basket. Also craft some metal. Okay. I have a house. Bam. Okay, what do I don't need? I don't need these weird nuts. Oh, come on. Oh wait, I have to move it. I'm not gonna need all of these stuff. All I'm gonna need is the sword and pick. You know what? I'm gonna start, you know, be a little bit more normal. Can I move this? Yes. Finally, I look a little bit more normal. My Dilophosaurus looks perfect. Because, guys, how I made the Dilophosaurus, snake plus T-Rex equals Dilophosaurus. And this piece of shit. This is the way of the devil. This is the way, my Buddhas. Can you stop doing this dirt thing? Dan, it's like Dan, but more annoying. Well, Dan isn't really annoying. He's just a wingman. He's just a wingman, my favorite guy. Anyways, let's look at that the Dilophosaurus. I can't believe we can't like zoom in. It's so annoying, but I have to deal with it. No, I don't want that. Gosh, I don't know what we will even do with nutty nuts. I don't even think we do anything with nuts. Just like nuts. Oh, nuts. I'm gonna fart. Nice fart there. You know what? Where is it? I'm serious now. Where is it? Come on. Where is it? Where is it? You piece of shit. Oh, there it is. Oh, that's not what I'm talking about. Yeah, there's two of them. Let's go to inventory. Let's get the pick. Use it to break the way of the devil. Wait, it's not done. Sorry if I'm in the territory, but I'm on level 104. I don't think he wants to mess with me. It's like, nope. I'm gonna take you down, mate. I'm gonna take you down. Let's switch this with the sword. You're going down now. You're going down. Alright. He's probably like, yeah, I'm gonna kill you, and then now he's dead. Good. I have tons of points. I don't want to. May as well just play a different game. Yeah. That's a great idea. This is so annoying. There's 3 of them here. They're hiding in their XP. We got berries. Oh, we get berries from those. Now it makes sense. Those are easy to get. What I can't get up. Sadness fell upon my face. Even though I'm dumb, I've become dumber than usual. Okay, where's my house? I think I'm lost again. This always happens to me in this game. I can't ever find my house. My house is now gone. And I just crafted that basket for no reason. Oh, wait. I recognize this place. We're close to home. Wait, if we go giant, maybe we can find it. Hello? House? Yeah, not now. I hate this so much. Oh, the music. Oh, there is my house. Let's go to inventory. Yeah, I knew it. Berry goes there, and I can now go to inventory. Crafting. Let's make this. Let's go to crafting again. Can I make a chair? Can I? How much sticks do I have? I have none. I have one stick. And by the way, there's creatures. Hello. You guys are going down. I'll stomp on you. Stomp on you all. Evil person. I'm evil, guys. How much level ups am I getting right now? I've got 6 level ups. Oh, it's a dumb game. I don't want this baby game where you're collecting babies to make your family even better. I don't know what's wrong with people. At least we got something new. Okay. Man, where's my house? Alright. But we were gonna collect berries. Oh, berry tree. Berry. I got a berry. Okay, you know what? I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just itching my mouth, inside my mouth. I'm itching the inside of my mouth. It's very normal. Okay. Oh, I see some metal. Give me the berries. Okay, I see metal, and that means it's time for the pick to come in and break it down. Alright, so we need one more. So we're gonna get this. Alright. I could probably craft metal. In your metal face, let's craft one. There we go. I've got 2 pieces of metal. Great. A stick. I want to go for the stick. No. Stick, thanks. But no, me. Bye-bye. I know the way, okay? So shut up now. I'm gonna kill you like that. You like the way? Like the real way of the real way. No. They've got some berries. Wait, how much berries do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Oh yeah. Potion for the win. Actually might be lost. No, the house is this way, I think. I'm pretty sure the house... Yeah, we're close to the house. No, where is the house, actually? Where is the house? Wait. Let me go to more powers. Yeah, would I have eyesight? I think it's called eyesight. Is it eyesight? I think I think I'm actually lost. We're lost, aren't we? Please tell me I didn't lost my house. I need to turn into a freaking giant to find my house because I don't get eyesight. What is that for? Did I just waste a healing potion? I'm pretty sure I did. Oh, hi. You wanna die? Your death. Meet your death. You wanna meet your death. Okay. I just need to take down this guy. Okay, I have 10 level ups. That's probably... New power, please be eyesight. We're going weakness. I'm belly flopped now. Guys, I'll be back. Alright guys, I'm back. And I just want to... I have too fun just making animals. It's too fun. Let's do 2 very similar looking things. Chicken plus drum roll, please. What is it? Plus duck. Yes. Chicken plus a duck. This is gonna... looks like a chicken with a different color. Okay, so you know what guys? Let's do animals that look really similar. No. No, no. I'll be back. Wait, is it not? Is it recording? Guys, I'm back. That chicken thing doesn't look powerful. So, I'm not sorry about that. I'm not gonna tap equipped. I don't even think I tapped equipped. Okay, let's do 2 more similar looking animals. Oh, raccoon plus a beaver. Huh? It looks pretty similar, but it looks mostly like a raccoon, plus it has a different color. The only thing it has big teeth. Not like this raccoon that you can see here. Okay, let's do chimp. Well, let's make a prehistoric thing. Chimp plus a Santa. I'm joking. I don't know why they even added Santa. That's so weird. Not even animals. Some of these things aren't even animals. Cheeseburger isn't even an animal. And furry man. That looks like one of the prehistoric things. This thing can grow giant. Alright. Are you serious? Why is this baby butt thing so important for people? This baby butt thing, you know? Okay. We are going to do something so similar that it might even not look like it might even look super same. This thing plus a shark. It's really the same thing with a tiny jaw. Dolphin plus shark. That looks so same. Do it again. We're gonna do dolphin plus. No. Dolphin plus. You guys ready? Stingray. Dolphin plus stingray. Drum roll, please. That thing looks so prehistoric. And it could grow giants? That's not really the best power for this, but that looks so prehistoric. I might even make a series of it. Look at that tail. That looks so prehistoric. I'm gonna die from prehistoricness. I don't even think that's a word. Wow. Now this game has some sort of car device. I hate vehicles, except fast ones like Lamborghinis. And who doesn't like a Lamborghini? Pig. I don't know why I done pig. Pig plus hippo. They are really similar. Pig plus hippo. It was. Yes, that looks like like a huge pig, and it has the power of fireballs. I don't know why. It's just so random. What about the king of the jungle? Well, not the jungle. The king. Is it jungle or am I just dumb? Plus wolf. This is gonna look pretty similar. It might even, yeah, look, that looks like a lion, a straight up lion, but like a lion cub, maybe a teen a teenager lion. Yeah, and has the power of poison. And snake probably has the power of poison. Let's try a snake one. Let's do a snake one.
I'm saying let's get on
Snake. How about tiger? Wait, we should have done lion and tiger. I'm so dumb. Lion and a tiger. Lion and tiger equals a tiger with some hair. I'm gonna say that looks like a lion, but like a rare lion, a prehistoric lion. Yeah, that's what I was going for. Let's do spider. An ant. Spider and ant. They look pretty similar. That actually looks like a tarantula. Please. That looks like a prehistoric bug. Oh, I hate this. Dragons? Who even came up with the dragons? Let's do swan. I think that's a swan. I forgot. Oh. Okay, this is gonna be our final. So that plus a hootie hoot. Goose. Yes, sorry, goose. Prehistoric bird. Guys, this thing has the power of ram. I think I missed the other one. I forgot the other one. Guys, thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. There will be more coming. I'll see you in the next one. You guys have just been suggesting Minecraft. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.